1, 2, 3, 4!
Everybody, it's me, Ryan from RMC Tech. Wanted to do a quick repair vid. So we got an iPhone 3GS here, and the problem with this is it was dropped in the water. And normally water-damaged phones are hard to reverse. There's some there's some fluid you could apply to the motherboard, and you could do some other stuff, and maybe bring it back to life after you scrub it. And you can put it in rice. You really have to wait more than just a couple days. Sometimes I've heard stories of like weeks and weeks and weeks, and then it finally worked. But in this phone, I guess it wasn't damaged too bad. And what happens is when everything works, the phone turns on and does its thing. But I don't know if you can see. You probably won't be able to see. Yeah, I mean, you probably can't see it, but everything's just super dim. Everything's just super dim. You can't really see anything. The battery thing is there signifying that it's charging. The battery's almost dead. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to try to replace the LCD screen at this point. I don't think anything else is really water damaged but the LCD, so we're going to put a new LCD in and see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, we're on the inside of the phone. That is what an iPhone 3GS looks like on the inside. All these crazy cables, look at that. Bang, cable, that's, all the, the main board stuff. And, yeah, I mean, it's just crazy. And these other cables that are labeled, I don't know if you can really tell. We're about to take these cables out. Alright, so we got the assembly off, and around the corner, I don't know if you can tell, but around the corner here, you got a screw up there. There's some screws. Whoa, screws here, screws here. Screws here, screws here, screws around this. We're going to take the actual LCD out of the glass frame, and then we're going to put the new LCD in. So, here we go. Here goes nothing. Alright, so we got the LCD out. This is the LCD itself, so we're going to put that aside, and we're going to put the new LCD in and see if this works back in the glass. And it's really interesting, isn't it crazy? I mean, look at this. You think it's two pieces, but the 3G and the 3GS, or you think it's one piece, but the 3G and the 3GS is two pieces. It's this glass, and then, the LCD, which, seats inside the glass. So we're about to go. 1, 2, 3, going in. Alright, so the repair is done. Dropping the phone back off via FedEx in the mail. A couple other phones. Thanks so much for being with us for the journey. Remember, if your phone breaks, something crazy happens, we're the guys. Thanks for watching.